over 100% on Netflix today, and we're going to talk about how I did it, why I did it, what I looked at, so again you guys can see these, get familiar with these setups so you can replicate it and maximize on your own trades. All right, so let's get into it. We had an area where the market kind of gapped down and then continued to push in the pre-market. However, Netflix looked relatively strong in the pre-market, and in general Netflix has been relatively stronger with the market kind of pulling back a little bit in the last few weeks of trading. Now, with that said, we had this resistance from yesterday sitting at around 230.60, 231. Okay. Now, what really intrigued me to really get involved in this trade was simply this big drop that we had. Once the market opened, we had a nice big yank and volume came right back in, and we closed this thing at a hammer. All right, so as soon as that happened, that is exactly when I started buying calls. I alerted the calls right here at 9:32 a.m., which was right around here, this next candle. We alerted the calls there, and that buying pressure right out of the open was key. We had that big sell-off, and the most volume in the market comes within the first 2-3 minutes. That's where all that volatility comes in. So somebody came in and really bought all those shares up. Now, when you roll over to the flow side, take a look at all this bullish activity that's coming in. On the right side here, take a look. All these calls short dated, some of them out of the money. They're all coming in and really just hammering away at all these calls here. Take a look. It happens for some time, right? It's still going, still going. Lots of just bullish activity coming right through. So because of that, I got into the trade. Yes, it wasn't easy to hold through it. However, I had a game plan and I had a stop. My stop never triggered. This move, this hammer candle right out of the open coming into that resistance area was a good thing for me. And this thing is just taking off here and continuously moving up, now over 110% on options. And we got involved just by simply seeing the flow, seeing that big sell-off, and then boom, rip right back up. Somebody came in, or multiple people came in and started buying this up, and we had an aggressive push to the upside with this move. All right, guys, so nice little quick video for you guys. Hopefully you guys are able to see what I'm seeing with these things, knowing what to look for, and then kind of teaming that up with the flow to make an educated decision. Again, you had multiple chances to get involved on this. That first initial candle could have been your first thing to look at it, to bring it up to your attention. Then you had multiple times to get involved, to check the flow, to really see if it's really the thing you want to get involved in. All right, so hopefully you guys did appreciate that. If you get, go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and let me know what other videos you want me to make. Thank you for watching, and we'll catch you on the next one.